Biryani isn't just food, it's a celebration on a plate. It's a dish that brings people together, no matter the occasion or the season. Whether it's a wedding, a festival, or a simple family dinner, biryani always finds its way to the center of the table, inviting everyone to share in its magic. It's the centerpiece of family gatherings and festive occasions, filling the air with its rich aroma. The anticipation builds as the lid is lifted, releasing a cloud of fragrant steam that signals something truly special is about to be enjoyed. But you don't need to be a chef or visit a restaurant to make it at home. The beauty of biryani is that it can be lovingly crafted in your own kitchen, with just a bit of patience and the right guidance. Today, we'll show you how to create restaurant-style chicken biryani in your own kitchen, step by step. You'll discover how simple ingredients can come together to create something extraordinary. We'll break down the process so anyone can follow along and succeed. No matter your skill level, you'll be able to master this classic dish and impress your loved ones. From preparing tender chicken to layering fragrant rice, you'll learn the secrets to perfect biryani. We'll guide you through marinating, seasoning, and assembling each layer for maximum flavor. Each bite is a harmony of flavors: fluffy rice, juicy chicken, sweet fried onions, and warm spices. The textures and aromas come together to create a meal that's both comforting and unforgettable. Gather your ingredients, and let's start this delicious adventure together. With every step, you'll build confidence and excitement, knowing you're about to create something truly special. By the end, you'll have a biryani to be proud of. Array, wow! So roll up your sleeves, bring your loved ones close, and let's make memories, one flavorful layer at a time. Great biryani starts with perfectly cooked chicken. Place 700-gram chicken in a pot with half a cup of water, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, and 2 sliced onions. Stir, cover and cook on low for 5 to 6 minutes, then high for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce the liquid. The result, tender chicken and a rich spice stock. Don't discard this liquid. This simple prep ensures every bite is juicy and flavorful. Now let's move on to the heart of biryani, the masala. The masala is the heart and soul of any biryani, the secret blend that transforms simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors. It's what gives biryani its signature taste, that irresistible aroma and depth that makes every bite unforgettable. Start by heating half a cup of corn oil in a heavy-bottomed pan, letting it get nice and hot so the spices can release their full fragrance. Next, add a medley of whole spices, green and black cardamoms, peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Sauté these until they sizzle and fill your kitchen with a warm, inviting aroma. Sprinkle in coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and black pepper powder. Stir the mixture for 2 minutes, allowing the spices to bloom and deepen in color. Add 2 chopped tomatoes, letting them cook down until they're soft and pulpy, forming the base of a rich, flavorful gravy. Pour in half a cup of whisked yogurt, stirring gently until the masala turns creamy and smooth, balancing the heat of the spices. Now, return the chicken and its flavorful stock to the pot, letting it soak up all those wonderful spices. Add a generous handful of fresh coriander, mint, and sliced green chilies for a burst of freshness and color. Cook everything on high heat until you see the oil separating from the masala, a sign that the flavors have truly come together. For a unique sweet-sour note, stir in dried plums, also known as aloo bukhara. They add a subtle tang that elevates the dish. Carefully remove half the masala and set it aside. This will be used for layering, ensuring every spoonful of biryani is packed with flavor. With the masala ready, it's time to start building the biryani, layering rice and masala for that perfect bite in every mouthful. Layering is where biryani truly transforms into a work of art, blending flavors, textures, and aromas into a single, unforgettable dish. This is the moment where your patience and preparation come together, and every ingredient finds its place in the masterpiece. Begin by soaking 700 grams of premium basmati rice for 30 minutes. This step ensures the grains remain long and fluffy. Boil the rice until it's about 75% cooked, firm but not mushy. Then drain thoroughly to prevent excess moisture. In your masala pot, generously sprinkle a layer of crispy fried onions over the rich chicken masala. These onions add a sweet crunch and depth of flavor that's essential to authentic biryani. Next, gently add half of the cooked rice, spreading it evenly to cover the masala. Then, spoon over the reserved chicken masala, making sure every bite will have a perfect balance of meat and rice. Top this layer with more fried onions, a generous tablespoon of biryani masala powder, and a few fresh lemon slices for a burst of citrusy brightness. Add the remaining rice as the final layer, then drizzle over a mixture of yellow food color and fragrant kura water, or saffron water if you prefer, to give the biryani its signature aroma and golden hue. Finish with a final flourish of crispy fried onions on top, ensuring every layer is packed with flavor and texture. Each carefully constructed layer guarantees that every spoonful you serve is bursting with complex flavors, vibrant colors, and irresistible aromas. Now, your biryani is ready for the final crucial step, dum, or slow steaming, which melds all the flavors together. Let's seal in the magic and let your masterpiece reach its full potential. Dum is the secret to perfect biryani. Cover the pot tightly, use a towel for a better seal, and cook on low for 10 to 12 minutes. Let it rest off the heat for another 5 to 10 minutes before opening. When you lift the lid, the aroma and colors will be irresistible. Gently serve, digging deep to get all the layers. Homemade biryani is a celebration in itself. Share it with family and friends. You've mastered restaurant-style chicken biryani at home. Happy cooking!